Hi, if you like our YouTube channel, please check and see the amazing discounts that we offer to health and wellness products in our partner shop. You will have instant access to over 35,000 products. Link in the description. Thank you so much, and now
perk up your skin with Retinol Serum. Fight aging and acne with a daily application of Retinol Serum. It's no secret that dermatologists and beauty buffs often recommend retinol serums as a great way to care for skin. Nevertheless, many people don't understand what retinol is and why it can be an effective part of a skincare regimen. In addition to providing various benefits, this topical product is quite affordable. Retinol Basics. Retinol is a type of retinoid, a family of chemicals that are derived from vitamin A. Another member of the retinoid group is tretinoin, a popular prescription-grade skincare product. For those who aren't interested in a prescription drug, retinol is the top choice for an over-the-counter retinoid. Even those who might someday want to try a tretinoin prescription can benefit from starting with a low dose of retinol in order to help the skin work up to a higher strength product. Anti-aging benefits of retinol. Retinoids are best known for their anti-aging properties. Research supports the idea that retinol and other retinoids may help increase collagen production in the skin. Collagen is responsible for skin's firm, plump appearance. As collagen disappears with age, wrinkles appear. Therefore, boosting collagen production may help keep fine lines and wrinkles from looking as obvious. To further enhance its effects, retinol has the potential to speed up cellular turnover. This means that old skin cells are shed sooner, revealing the healthy new skin underneath. Retinol, therefore, may help skin look brighter and fresher. Although wrinkle reduction and skin brightening are usually the top benefits touted for retinol, this product also helps with acne, a problem that can plague people of all ages. Retinol can help remove clogs from pores, which may clear up breakouts or keep new pimples from forming. This chemical could also reduce the appearance of pores. Retinol Serum Tips and Tricks. When first starting a retinol protocol, have patience. It may take about 12 weeks for the first effects to appear. Even people who don't yet feel like they're seeing signs of aging may want to begin applying retinol as a preventative. Some experts recommend starting retinol at about 25 years of age. There's no need to overdo it with a retinol serum. Just a pea-sized drop is enough for the whole face. It's best to put on retinol at night. Going out in the sun with a fresh coat of retinol can limit the effects of the serum, and may cause sensitivities to the skin. When using a retinol treatment, always apply facial sunscreen in the morning. Serendipity, affordable and effective retinol treatment. With Serendipity Retinol Serum from Ozilic, anyone can try retinol. This pH-balanced retinol product may help decrease wrinkles and acne while also shrinking pores and brightening skin tone. Thanks to the addition of emolliating ingredients like jojoba esters, this serum may also soften and hydrate skin. To top it off, this is a responsibly made product, it's cruelty-free, and it arrives in eco-friendly packaging. Disclaimer. This blog is not intended to provide diagnosis, treatment or medical advice. Content provided on this blog is for informational purposes only. Please consult with a physician or other healthcare professional regarding any medical or health-related diagnosis or treatment options. Information on this blog should not be considered as a substitute for advice from a healthcare professional. The claims made about specific products throughout this blog are not approved to diagnose, treat, cure or prevent disease.